Okay, your Trezor wallet is funded. Your seed phrase is written down and stored somewhere safe. Now the question is, how do you actually get crypto onto your Trezor wallet? That's what we're going to do right now. I'll show you step by step how to fund your Trezor wallet. When you move your crypto off an exchange into your hardware wallet, you take total ownership over your funds. Let's begin. First, you need to open Trezor Suite and then connect your Trezor wallet to it. I'm going to connect through Bluetooth. To open my Trezor wallet, I'll have to enter my PIN. Once I'm in, I tap the screen and I select Pair and Connect. Then I'm going to select my Trezor Suite desktop. Then on Trezor Suite in the top left, I'm going to click on Trezor Safe 7 and then Connect Trezor. I've already unlocked my Trezor and now I'm going to confirm on my safe that I want to connect to my MacBook Air. Next, I need to get my Ethereum address because I'm going to send Ethereum to my Trezor safe. You can send any of the assets that Trezor supports. You just need to find the specific public address for that asset. If you try to send Ethereum to your Bitcoin public address, it'll be lost forever. So I'm going to get my Ethereum public address so I can start receiving tokens to my Trezor wallet. I'm going to click on Ethereum on the left side under the assets listed. Then I'm going to click the receive button. It's confirming that I'm only receiving Ethereum tokens to this address. Got it. Now I can see my address. I'm going to click show full address. The address on my Trezor Suite needs to match the address on my Trezor Safe 7. I'm going to compare them and confirm they are the same. Now I'm going to copy the address. I am funding my Trezor wallet from my Coinbase exchange account. To send Ethereum from my exchange to the Trezor wallet, I need to go to the asset Ethereum, which I've pulled up here. Then I'm going to find the button that says Send Crypto and click on it. It's on the right-hand side. Next, I'm going to paste the address I copied from Trezor Suite. Then I'm going to send it over the Ethereum network. Today, I'm just going to send $10 of ETH to my Trezor wallet. Then I'm going to click the preview button. Here I can confirm my transaction. You can pull up your Trezor Suite and compare them. Once I've confirmed the address is correct, I'm going to click the Send Now button. Great. Now I've sent $10 of ETH from my exchange to my Trezor hardware wallet. When it says status completed, you can look in your Trezor Suite to see if your ETH is there. On your Trezor Suite dashboard, you can scroll down to Ethereum and see, in fact, your crypto made it. Or click on Ethereum and see there too that the $10 made it. Now you know how to fund your Trezor hardware wallet. You can fund your wallet from an exchange, from another hot wallet. What you need is your public address, which I showed you how to find. Once you have that public address, you can paste it in any wallet or exchange to fund your Trezor wallet.